Hi friends, welcome to my channel Traveling Monk of India. I am right now at Kondeshwar to talk about Kondeshwar. Kondeshwar is a very beautiful waterfall along with a pond. There is a temple of Lord Shiva and hence the name is Kondeshwar. The Kondeshwar is remotely located away from noise and urban pollution, with the nearest village located about 20 to 25 minutes of walking distance. It's a very beautiful place during the monsoon period. You can see the sceneries right now that I have been driving my bike through. It's really beautiful. The last few kilometers of drive through the village road is extremely beautiful. This is exactly what I am driving right now, and it is really beautiful during the monsoon season. The temple compound, which is actually very clean and spacious, and a lot of places where you can sit. The treacherous section of the waterfall just behind the temple is barricaded and is not safe to access, especially during the heavy rainfall. There have been many accidents and fatalities during the unsafe swimming practices by people, and that is during the heavy rainfall, because people don't have good knowledge about the cribs under the water. Many people have died due to the turbulences of the water, and they were taken inside the cliffs from where it is very difficult to come out due to heavy force of water. So that is the reason it is recommended not to go in the waters. um, Other than that, it's a very safe place to travel. It is close by. It is very close to Badlapur station. Probably hardly uh, 7 to 8 kilometers of drive, and you'll reach here from Badlapur station. I started my journey today from home at around 7 a.m. and I reached here probably at around 7:40. 45 minutes of drive, 40-45 minutes of drive. And now this is a little bit of an off-roading that I have been doing, and it has been fun. So now just to talk about my bike, Java Perak. It has been performing really well in this situation where I am doing an off-roading. People have been questioning me if the short off-roading ride that I did in my last video was good enough to test the bike. So today I came here. This is also a kind of an off-roading that I feel that people may go to with their bikes, and with such kind of a bike like Java Perak, they will love to go to such places. So I tried to go here, and I haven't find any challenges at all with the bike. The drive has been very smooth. It has been fun driving this bike in this kind of roads. I haven't slept at all. The roads are very rough roads, and the soil is very loose. But then till here, the roads were very off-roading kind of stuff, but I was happy to drive it. Now this is a concrete road, so I feel more confident driving it with a very good speed. But but all in all, I didn't face any issue with my Java Perak on this kind of off-roading also. Though the soil was loose, there might have been chances where I could have skidded, but the tires are really good enough to handle such situations, and I have cruised myself in such scenarios also. The place is really lovely, and that's the reason I came here. Guys, going forward, I will be traveling more to such destinations which are not very far away from Mumbai. So I'll be traveling to these places. So please subscribe to my channel, because if you guys subscribe, this will give me that confidence that I will keep recording such videos and sharing with you guys. Thank you very much for your patience and supporting my channel. Thank you very much, guys. This actually is the end of the video for today. Thank you, and fight for yourself, guys.